Hi everyone, it's Sam. I am back on Hochanda tomorrow at 8 and 11, which means I've got to be in the studio at 6 in the morning, so I'm really not looking forward to it. But I did this last time, or the time before, I can't remember now, my brain's always in such a rush with everything. But I filmed some of the samples so that you could sort of see them firsthand, because it's much easier to gauge an idea of size and how something looks and how beautiful these creations are when you can see them on a video rather than in a photo. So first thing, let me apologise, the light isn't that great. This is on the side of the unit that we haven't got the lighting up properly yet, so there's a temporary light up, but it means that I cast a shadow if I stand in front of it. And yeah, everything's in a bit of disarray where I'm trying to get it sorted ready for the workshops that will I say hopefully coming soon. The first workshop, we've decided the date is the 8th of December, so watch this space, we'll share more details. But as you can see in the background, we've started to get some of the samples out. They won't necessarily stay like in them positions, but we've started to get some of the samples out, and they're samples from previous shows and that. But these are the samples that are going on this show. That's what I mean by the shadow, sorry. You can see some of the gorgeous projects. This is from Mags, the gorgeous wings, and things like this from Linda. This is just using the tree, but look at that amazing background. Looks wonderful. The shrine that Mags has created. Let me move this. Emma's Pegasus hiding behind there. Look at that. And then things like the shadow boxes. Let me try and get out the light. Oh, it's so irritating. The light is it means it's better to see over here when I'm trying to get stuff set up. And we have got the lighting frames ready. We just, the ceiling, the roof in here, should I say, is so high. We need to get special equipment in to hang the chains, to hang the lights from. So until then, I've got like a little floodlight. This is Susie's. She actually turned her Pegasus into a horse, which I'll show you in a minute. But look how sparkly that is. But she's used her Pegasus wings to make this. That's fantastic. And Denise's, oh, let me get Denise's Pegasus. I mean, look at the texture on there, the Pegasus. And to give you an idea of the size difference between small Pegasus and big Pegasus, you can see just by there. Now, if any of you got the unicorns before, let me show you a unicorn. So this was a small unicorn. This is Emma's. This is a small unicorn, and they're not that small, they're a nice size, but that's the small unicorn next to the small Pegasus. So you can see the small Pegasus is quite a bit bigger than the small unicorn, and then the large Pegasus is humongous in comparison. So he really is huge, and that wingspan is massive. I'll go around the other side and I'll sort of show you. He really is a sort of statement piece. But then we've got like Linda's Pegasus there, and we've got Julie's Pegasus, Meg's Pegasus, Karen's Pegasus. And this is Susie's, where she turned him into a horse. Again, if I can get out of the light, you can see the colours. So he looks just as great as a horse. And then we have got things like this. Mags has made that using the tree branch. Some of you might have. This is using some of the mandalas. This is from Julie. Oh, don't want to get in the light. I don't know if you can catch the colours there. Using some of the mandalas. And then Denise, love this, has made the mandalas into groovy flowers, and she will tell me off because I forgot what she said the Pegasus was called. Peg, bee peg, I can't remember. She's going to tell me off now, but there was something behind, there was a name behind it, but it is, Pegasus has been made into a bee. And I love the way she's used some of the wings to make the leaves as well. They're cool flowers. Karen has made one of the mandalas into a peacock. Sorry, I'm trying to hold these at an angle so that you can get the colours on these rather than just me in a shadow. Again, like Denise has just used a mandala straight on, and she's used just sort of little diamonds to sort of accent it. This piece by Denise, if I can pick it up. Look at that. I wish I could make stuff like that years ago maybe, but now I can't. Look at them crackles. My word. But the wings just look great with that and the word. And then there's another one with the mandalas. This is Mag's one. How stunning that looks as well. Wow. I just love these. This is Emma's with some of the wings. Look at the texture and the wings in there, and a bit of the mandala at the top there. And the word. Oh, wow. Emma, I love what she did with this. So it's got a bit of the mandala in the back, you can see, but it's hard to catch it in the right light. She's actually used the unicorn and then some of the wings, so it's like a winged unicorn. I don't know if I can quite catch that in the right light, but that looks stunning. Karen's used the mandalas and added colour. I mean, this, I love this. This is a mixture of, so this is a card by Linda. She's used the wings and the clouds, which look absolutely fantastic, but that image as well was also designed by our very own Emma. So it's, as much as it's Linda's creation, it's kind of a mix of the two of them, which I think is absolutely fantastic. What else have we got? Oh, there's just so much stuff. Another one from Linda there. Look at the colours. This is just the mandala used to make a card. But just stunning. They're all so stunning. Denise's shadow box, which is all one colour, and Julie's. Now both of them light up behind. I won't reach across and risk knocking everything down, but they will be lit up on the show tomorrow. Again, that's the small 20cm shadow box. That's the large 40cm shadow box. And if I put them by each other, you can see there's quite a difference. I mean, these ones around there are huge. Let me go around the table and I'll sort of show you. So let me see if I can. So this is my hand on the corner of this one. So I don't know if that helps give you an idea of size, or what else can I put as an idea of size? Hang on a second. My dirty cup that I had my soup in before. So there's my cup next to it. It's a normal size cup next to the 40cm one. I'll give you an idea of the size. That's a normal cup next to Pegasus. I mean, this is I mean, his wingspan is huge as well on him, but he's yeah, that's Pegasus. Yeah, I mean, you'll see more of these tomorrow on the show, and hopefully we'll get to show a lot of them off, and hopefully the lighting will be better. It's in the studio. Oh, Mags's shrine. Look at that. So she's used wings and the word, and mandala there. Some starts. So that's Mags's art shrine. I mean, just again, I am absolutely blown away. Oh look, Linda's shadow box has got all gilding flesh. Oh look, I said I'm finished and I'm done, but just every time you and again, it's every time you look at these projects, again you see something else that's a little bit different. Another card from Denise. The mandala is the MDF. She's just added some white and diamonds. Other than that, she's not done anything else to the MDF. Yeah, I mean, as always with the design team, you look at it, and the more you look at them, the more you see. Absolutely blown away. They only had about a week and a half to sort of work on these projects, and again, they are absolutely amazing. I really, like I say, I really couldn't do it without the design team. I really hope as well that you all get so much inspiration from what they do, because they are all so unique. They all have such different ideas. Yeah, I just love them. If I sound a bit not with it, I'm very tired, and I know I've still got a lot to do before I can even leave for the hotel. But yeah, I just wanted to do this quick share. Look, and by the way, Mags has got the real feathers on there as well. But yeah, so that's the samples. Hopefully you'll join me tomorrow for the shows.